Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting because we are going to discuss about the TCS quarter 2 results, and this is going to be utmost importance for all the people who are working at TCS and in the IT sector. So this is going to be the part 2 video. If you have not watched the part 1 video that was released yesterday, then go and watch that and later on come and watch this video. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let us move forward. We will be discussing in this video regarding the transparency in the layoff count. We will also discuss about the TCS AI hub that is launched, and will there be 5k new jobs that will be launched. We will also discuss about the bomb threat in particularly Chennai area and TCS campus, and we will also discuss about the exact count and why they did not disclose about the layoff count. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is regarding the layoffs. Now, as you all know that TCS did not disclose the number of layoffs that they have done in the quarterly results announcement, but later on they disclosed what is the headcount decline that has happened. So the headcount declined that has happened in the company is around 20,000 employees only in the quarter 2. Okay, so that is a big thing, and that is around 3% of the workforce reduction, that too only in the 92 days. That is the quarter 2, right? Now, even if we agree that the company has all the rights to decrease the employee count, but there is a problem when it is high and the transparency on the process is lacking. Especially when you hear the media reports that the employees were coerced to submit resignation letters, which could make job axing appear like voluntary attrition. Okay, and we will discuss about that also. What is the attrition rate at TCS? So, with no press conference after quarter 2 results in the midst of such kind of situations, right? Serious issues, it amplifies the lack of transparency with community, and the company is not doing in good, that is balancing act, right? So what this particularly means, this I read from a report, right, basically from the Times of India, and what they meant is that I will show here in detail, right? So TCS basically reported a voluntary attrition rate of 13.3% for this particular quarter, that is quarter 2, July to September, right, which is up, that is 12.3% in the previous quarter. Okay, according to the fact sheet released by the TCS company, right? The company's total headcount dropped to 5,93,314 from 6,13,000. Okay, in the first quarter of the fiscal 2026, which is nearly a reduction of 20,000 employees. Right now, what exactly has happened is, see, the actual attrition rate. Okay, the voluntary attrition, like, which means basically people who are leaving the company, that is increased by 1%. Okay, and along with that, if you consider the actual count of the employees that were laid off, that is still not correct. Okay, that is still not disclosed by the company. They have only shown the amount of reduction, that is 20,000 employees have been reduced. Okay, now that will be having around 13.3% of attrition also. Okay, and there can be some voluntary resignation that is comes under the attrition, and there can be the layoffs also. So this 20,000 figure that they have shown, there will be new employees also will be joining, right? So if you consider that, even if new people are joining and there is voluntary attrition and there are layoff also, so this means that there is something conspiracy, like there is something suspicious in the numbers about the headcount. Okay, so this is what I wanted to highlight. The next important point is that please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Next important thing is regarding Standard Chartered, which is a banking BFSI company, right? So they have opened their largest office in DLF town, that is in Chennai, okay, on 9th of October, that is today. And they will be bringing around 13,000 employees in a digitally enabled sustainable workspace. So if you are someone who's having an experience of BFSI domain, then there are good chances that you can go and apply for Standard Chartered. Okay, so we have started a series of creating awareness about the companies which are hiring. So since they have opened their new office and they are having a capacity of 13,000 employees, they are going to hire them, right? So it becomes evident for you to go and apply, and you can get selected for the particular company, right? Next important thing is that we are creating a video about detailed explanation about Tata Sons and Shapoorji Pallonji, right, group. So there is a major clash that is happening between these two groups, which are holding, like Tata Sons has a lot of holding of Tata Group, and Shapoorji Pallonji also is having the holding, right? So they are having a lot of clashes, and we are going to create a detailed video. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will get all the updates, right? So now, as you all know that in Chennai, there were a lot of hoax that were happening regarding the bomb threats, okay, targeting the consulate, media, and IT companies. So are all the things that have been taken care by the government and the police and the bomb squad, right? So they did not find anything as such, because that was an email that was received in Bandra also, that the family court has been subjected with a bomb, but that was not the real case. And even the Tollywood actors also got some kind of threats. So police had launched the manhunt and they did not find anything, right? So this is the current scenario. We will provide all the updates once we have a clarity. Now, next important thing is regarding TCS creating 5,000 new jobs in the UK over the next 3 years. Now, as you already know, that TCS has a bigger market in like UK as well as in the Europe, okay, compared to India or Asia. So that is the reason they have launched a new, particularly AI, that is artificial intelligence experience zone, along with a design studio in London, that is in United Kingdom. And here around 5,000 people will be getting job. So it can be UK commoners, right, people directly from the UK, or it can be people from India who are a part of TCS also. So this is going to be a good opportunity for someone who is planning to stay in TCS or planning to join TCS, that you can go ahead and look for this kind of domain wherein you will be able to work in the AI experience zone, that is a design studio. Okay, so with this, I would like to end our today's video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that. And please stay tuned for the Tata Sons versus Shapurji Palonji group video that will be coming live tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Thank you and have a great day.